Hi, welcome to Rochelle's Kosher Kitchen. So I follow Peas, Love, and Carrots on Instagram. We have similar. She has half Sephardic and half Ashkenazi, and I love her recipes. So she made this amazing minute roast that is with onion soup mix smothered in sauteed onions. So to Danielle, I am going to share your recipe because I thought it looked great. So first step, sauteing my onions so that they get really, really brown. And we'll set them aside and then start working on the minute roast. So I got my minute roast from Meat Maven, a 3.7 pound. Great. And then you mix in a bowl your onions mix, your olive oil, and your pepper, and coat the whole minute steak, top and bottom. Put a little oil in your pan and sear both sides of it. Flip it over and sear the other side. Then just add all those carrots and onions into your pan. And after the second side has been seared, flip up the little bit, lift it up, and put your carrots and onions under it. Now place your sauteed onions on top like a crust. Use your hand to pat it down all over the top. Now gently pour in the wine around your meat and add your water around the meat. Do not touch the top. Bring the whole thing to a boil and cover. If you have a pot that goes into the oven, take it and cover it and put it in the oven. I transferred mine into a Dutch oven. Bake for 2 hours. Take it out of the oven and gently baste it. Cover it and cook it for another 2 hours. Then remove it from the oven, baste it again. This time return it uncovered for 30 minutes. Let it cool down before slicing it and serve it with all those carrots and onions. But I found someone in my kitchen who couldn't resist a little taste. So Lewis sat down and said it was amazing. I served it with steamed broccoli and mashed potatoes, and I put it on my buffet. It went, and everyone can't stop talking about it. Hope you enjoy my minute roast with onions. Thank you to Peas, Love, and Carrots for this great recipe. Enjoy.